Hi guys, it's Diamond. Now you can see this is a new color in my shop, and I just got it yesterday. And this is the color that I how to say this color because it's really like the peach red. Yes, it's just like peach red, and about let me check one word. Moment please, thank you.
Fluorescent. Fluorescent.
Fluorescent, and it stays a little fluorescent on the layers. Yes, so you can see it's really beautiful, and it is a smooth layer. Yes, you can see it's a smooth layer. And because it's really close to the red and close to the pink and also close to the orange, and also it's just like the if you just watch it in the first view, you will feel there is like the frozen colors on it, but it's not. It's just very hard to describe colors, but it's really beautiful. And also it's a thin layer and thick layer, so we can see this is the thickness. Yes, and I'm so happy I have this layer. Yes, and it still have a little striation inside. We can see it in the layer. Yes. So this is the I think it's really close to the peach red, so I think I will call it in the peach red. And I feel this color is really good and really nice looking and beautiful, and also the Christmas is coming soon, so I think this leather is also very good for the Christmas. If we can combine this leather with the white cherry, and I think it's just perfect. And okay, I have also made a pre-mat in the pocket size. In the pocket size, classic leathers here, covers here, so we can see it just like this, very beautiful. Later. And we can see the back is like this. Yes, the touch is very good, and the front like this. Yeah, it's just a very smoothly, and very the color is very bright. Yes, very bright leather. So this is the new leathers in my shop, and it also can be polished. The edge be very shiny too, so we can see it's very beautiful. So this is the new leathers in my shop, and I will name it just in the peach red leather. So if you guys like the peach red and it's just a bright leather, and you can go get in my shop now, okay? Because I know this is the new leather shop. I just been there yesterday, and I know the amount of this leather that the shop only has 3 pieces of this leathers, and I just got 1 piece because I want to see you guys like it or not, or not like it. So if you guys like it, and I will just get 1 more 2 other piece in the shop. Okay, so this is the leather, the new leathers introduction today, and also it's a pre-mat pocket size classic covers here, and we'll put in my shop for the quick shipping. Okay, so if you guys like it, just go get it. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.